Hello everyone, myself Sravanthi, working as an assistant professor in Department of Data Science and Cybersecurity in MLR Institute of Technology. Today my topic is first and follow with example. So the first example, S tends to A. S produces A, B, D, H, B produces C, C, C produces B, C, epsilon, D produces E, F, E produces G or epsilon, F produces F or epsilon. So this is the grammar. This is the grammar having some productions or having some productions. Here to calculate first and follow function, we need to check whether the given grammar is free from left recursion. Yes, the given grammar is free from left recursion, then we can calculate the first and follow function. So we need to find for what functions we are going to find out the first function. What are the non-terminals that are present in the LHS? For all those non-terminals, we are going to calculate the first function. Similarly, we are going to find out the follow function also. We are going to calculate the follow function also. So first thing is S tends to A, B, D. So first of S. What I am having here? First of S. What is first of S? First of S. Yes, exactly in the right hand side, what I am going to have? A. A is what? A terminal. So first of S equal to A. First of S equal to A. So still any productions with S? No, only one production is there, that is this one. So the next one, first of B. First of B. What I am having first of B? First of B is nothing but what I am having? C. That is a small letter, that is nothing but terminal. Terminal is there, first of C. See here, B is also there in the right hand side in my first production. But we are not calculating for the right hand side. We are going to calculate the first function for all the non-terminals which are present over the left hand side. When we are going to calculate the first function, exactly the right hand side, the first letter, if it is a terminal, directly we are going to write. If it is a non-terminal, we are going to calculate it. Next, what is first of C? What is first of C? See here, first of C. First one is first of S is A, first of B is C, then first of C. First of C. What I am having first of C? The first of C, there are two productions are there. How I can write these two productions? C tends to BC, C tends to epsilon. C tends to epsilon. These are the two productions are there. So what will be the first of C? First of C is here I am having a terminal. So I can write B. And the other one it is a epsilon. It is also a terminal. B comma epsilon. B comma epsilon. The next, what is first of D? First of D. First of D, what I am having here, E is there. So E is there. So what we need to do? We need to calculate first of this non-terminal. E is there. First of D is nothing but I am having E. E is a non-terminal is there. So now we are going to calculate these non-terminals first functions. So first of E, what I am going to have first of E? First of E is nothing but G comma epsilon. G comma epsilon. Then I will be substituting here in this D produces in the place of capital EF. First instead of E, I'm using GF. What I'm having D, first of D, what I'm having? Small letter G. Small letter G. The next, what I'm having here? Epsilon is there. Epsilon is there. So what I can use here? The second time I can use is epsilon F. Epsilon F. So what I'm going to get here? D produces epsilon F. So what I'm having here? Epsilon is nothing but empty. So what I'm having here? F is there. So F is nothing but again I'm going to take this one. Again I'm going to take the second function. So what I'm going to get? G comma F comma epsilon. G comma F comma epsilon. G comma F comma epsilon. See here, initially I have epsilon. Epsilon is nothing but nothing. F. So again D produces F. F is also a non-terminal. F is a non-terminal means what are the first of F? First of F is F comma epsilon. F comma epsilon. Why? Because F produces small f. So it is a terminal. F produces epsilon. It is also a small terminal. So F. So first time I am using in the place of F, I am using F. D produces F. So nothing but first of D, what I am having? F. The second time I am using D produces epsilon. D produces epsilon. First of D, what I am having? Epsilon. So first of D is nothing but G comma F comma epsilon. So the next one, first of E. First of E. What I am having first of E? Already I have calculated G comma epsilon. G comma epsilon. Next, first of F. First of F. What I am having? F comma epsilon. F comma epsilon. So these are nothing but for first functions. We are going to calculate the first function for the non-terminals which are present in the left hand side. See here, the same procedure we have done here. First of E minus epsilon union first of F. Nothing but it is giving me G comma F comma epsilon. Next we are going to calculate the follow functions. Follow functions we are going to calculate. So what are the things we are going to use to calculate the follow function? Follow function. So what are the things to calculate? Follow function is calculated for the right hand side. We are going to calculate the follow function. We are going to concentrate to calculate the follow function is in the RHS part. In the RHS part we are going to concentrate. So what I am having? Follow of S. What I am having for follow of S? Anything is present in the RHS part? No, nothing is present. As S is my star symbol, it holds the dollar. It holds dollar. So the next one, what I am having here? Follow of B. Follow of B. So B is following what, Nana? What? B is following D. B is following D. So D is nothing but what it is? It is a non-terminal. If I find the non-terminal, we are going to find first of D. What is first of D? G comma F comma epsilon. G comma F comma epsilon. If I have epsilon, then I substitute over here, that will be removed. So what I am going to get here? So see here. So what is first of D? First of D is what I am having? G comma F comma epsilon. So here follow of B. Follow of B is nothing but B is followed by D. Okay, B is followed by D. D is what? It is a non-terminal. So what we are going to calculate? First of D. What is first of D? First of D is nothing but G comma F comma epsilon. So here I am going to substitute A, B, G, H, A, B, F, H, A, B, epsilon H. A, B, epsilon H. Nothing but these three are going to be substituted. So what I am having here? First of B. First of B, follow of B is what I am having? G. Follow of B, what I am having here? F. Follow of B, what I am having? It is a epsilon. So it is nothing but empty. Epsilons are not allowed in the follow function. So we are not going to write epsilon here. So B is followed by here what I am having? It is a terminal. G, F, H. G, F, H. G, F, H we are going to get. So the next one. Follow of C. Follow of C. See here, C is not having any terminals or non-terminals. It is my end of the production. It is the end of the production. Follow of C. So if this is the case, follow of C is having, this is my end statement. Nothing is there. No terminals or non-terminals. Then we are going to calculate follow of B. Follow of C. Follow of C is equal to follow of B. Follow of C is equal to follow of B. See here also I am having C, but here also follow of C. I need to calculate anyway follow of C. But to calculate C, again this procedure is depending upon the second production. So that's why we are going to choose the second production. Follow of B. What I am having follow of B? Follow of C is equal to follow of B. G, F, H. G, F, H. Next, follow of D. What I am having here? Follow of D. Follow of D is nothing but only one it is supporting. So nothing but it is a terminal. So follow of D is equal to H. It is a terminal. Follow of H. Next, follow of E. Follow of E. What I am having here? Follow of E. Follow of E is following by F. F is what? It is a non-terminal. It is a non-terminal. So what we are going to do? We are going to calculate the first of F. What is first of F? First of F is nothing but F comma epsilon. F comma epsilon. So D produces E F one time E epsilon. E epsilon. E epsilon is nothing but what it is? E. E epsilon is nothing but E. So follow of E. follow of E is nothing but it is following by F. So F, it's a terminal. Next time, follow of E is nothing but it is followed by epsilon. Epsilon is nothing but it's empty. Empty. So nothing but I am writing here again E. So follow of E, nothing is there over here. So follow of E is nothing but it is followed by D. So follow of D is what I am having H. F comma H. Next, follow of F. Follow of F. F is followed by what? Nothing is there here. After F, there is no terminal or non-terminal. So F is followed by D. Nothing but follow of F is equal to follow of D. Follow of F is equal to follow of D. So follow of D, what I am having? H. So this is nothing but the first time follow function. To calculate the first time follow function, first we need to check the given grammar is free from left recursion. If that is free from left recursion, then we can calculate the first time follow function. We are going to calculate the first function for the non-terminals which are present over the left hand side. Similarly, for follow function also, we are going to calculate for all the non-terminals which are present on the left hand side. So we are not going to check only one production. If that non-terminal is present still in any productions, we are going to check all those productions and we are going to write this follow function. See here, I find C function in the second production and in the third production. But by using the third production, I am not going to solve anymore. So I am going to use the second production because follow of C is nothing but follow of C. I need to derive C, but again it is following C. But coming to the second production, follow of C is nothing but follow of B. I have already derived B, so I can reuse that for follow of C. So this is one example using first time follow function. Let's go for one more example. E produces TE dash, E dash produces plus TE dash epsilon, T produces FT dash, T dash produces star FT dash epsilon, F produces open close bracket E or ID. So coming here, what are the terminals? Here the terminals are plus, star, open, close, ID, epsilon. Those all are the terminals. The non-terminals are E, E dash, T, T dash, F. These are the non-terminals. So see here, what we are going to calculate. First we are checking whether it is free from left recursion. If it is free from left recursion, then we are going to calculate the first time follow function. Okay, it is free from left recursion. Now we are going to calculate the first function. So we are going to calculate the first function for all the non-terminals which are present over the left hand side. So first of E. What is first of E? Capital E. So what is having exactly capital E? First of E, I am having a terminal, non-terminal. T is a capital, so it is nothing but it's a non-terminal. So next what I need to do? I need to calculate here first of T. I need to calculate first of T. See here, again for T, what I am having, the first terminal is F. First of T is nothing but F. F is also a non-terminal. Again, I need to calculate first of F. I am just moving to the first of F. What I am having here, open brace and ID. Open bracket and ID. So, to calculate first of E, that is nothing but first of T. To calculate first of T, I need to calculate first of F. First of F is nothing but open bracket, comma, ID. So, to calculate first of E, I need to calculate T. T is nothing but again it is depending upon F. F means I got here terminal, open bracket and ID. Next, first of E dash. First of E dash. What I am having here plus. Plus is a terminal, comma, epsilon. So these are nothing but two productions I have written in a single production by using one slash. Okay, next first of T. First of T, again what I have here, first of F. What is first of F? Open bracket, ID. Next, first of T dash is star, comma, epsilon. First of T dash, star and epsilon. Next, first of F, open bracket, ID. Open bracket, ID. So, this is nothing but the calculation of first function. This is nothing but to calculate the first function. Now follow function. Follow of E. Follow of E. So we need to check whether that non-terminal is present anywhere in my RHS productions. In whole grammar where it is present the RHS. If that is not present, we are directly writing dollar. See here, in the first statement, I cannot find E non-terminal. E dash is there. The second production also E dash is there. Third is not. The final statement I find here E. So E is followed by closed bracket. E is followed by closed bracket. And as it is my start of the string, I am going to use dollar. As it is my start of the string, we are going to use dollar. Next, first of E dash. First of E dash. Here in the first statement, I have E dash, that is end of my production. In the second statement also, I find E production. Here also it is end of my string. By using second production, follow of E dash. Follow of E dash is nothing but follow of E dash. I am going to derive E dash, then again it is also following E dash. So this statement is not working for me. So then I am going for the first statement, follow of E dash is nothing but follow of E. Follow of E dash is nothing but follow of E. What is follow of E? Closed bracket, dollar. Closed bracket, dollar. Here for this E dash, I am not going to write the dollar. I am just following E. Whatever the non-terminals are available in my follow of E, those things I am writing over here. Next, follow of T. Follow of T. What I am having here? F T dash. F T dash. Follow of T. Check. Here in the first function, follow of T is nothing but T is following a non-terminal. T is following a non-terminal. So then what it is? If it is following a non-terminal, we are going to write here first of E dash. First of E dash. So what is first of E dash I am having here? Plus comma epsilon. But follow function won't accept epsilons. It accepts only dollars. So here I have epsilon. So I can write here plus. Epsilon should be replaced. See here, these production I have taken. E produces T E dash. Follow of T. Follow of T is nothing but first of E dash. E dash means what I am having? Plus epsilon. So I can write this statement as T plus T epsilon. T epsilon is nothing but T. T. So what I am having here? Follow of T. Follow of T is nothing but one time I got plus. One time follow of T is nothing but what it is following? Follow of E. Follow of T is nothing but follow of E. So what is follow of E? Close bracket, dollar. Close bracket, dollar. Next, follow of T dash. Follow of T dash. T dash is nothing but it is end of my string. So follow of T dash is nothing but follow of T. Follow of T dash is nothing but follow of follow of T dash is nothing but it is following T. Follow of T dash is nothing but follow of T. So what is follow of T? Follow of T is nothing but plus comma close bracket dollar. Plus comma close bracket dollar. Next, follow of F. Follow of F. F is followed by T dash. T dash is nothing but it is a non-terminal. So we are going to write, if I find a non-terminal which is following, then nothing but we are going to find out what is first of it. So here what I am having? E tends to F T dash. F T dash. So what is follow of F? Follow of F is nothing but T dash. T dash is having E tends to F star. E tends to F epsilon. Nothing but F. E tends to F T dash. Right? E tends, not E tends to. It is T tends to. T tends to. T tends to F T dash. We are going to calculate for follow of F, right? So F T dash. So T dash is nothing but I have written one time star, one time epsilon. Epsilon is nothing but empty. So here follow of F is nothing but I am having star, comma, epsilon. Epsilon is nothing but empty. Here I have F. So follow of F is nothing but follow of T. What is follow of T? Plus close bracket dollar. plus closed bracket dollar. So this is nothing but for follow function. So we are going to concentrate follow function on the RHS part and first function on the LHS part. We are going to calculate this first and follow for all the non-terminals present here. So same thing I have written over here. Thank you.